Hey guys, first of all, I thank to God and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, in this video, I'm just going to tell you what guys, look at, start speaking English now. Start speaking English now without giving you any level. Then guys, in this video I want to explain you if you want to speak in English or if you want to communicate in English. So you should not give any level yourself or you should not give any take yourself. We should speak English like a language. We should not give ourselves any level while speaking in English. Why I am telling you this? Because I have seen many people, they have a keen desire to speak in English, but they are not able to speak out. Why? Because they give them a level. They give them a level of beginner, or some people give them a level of intermediate, and some people give them level of advanced. So I would like to suggest you, if you really want to speak English, so you should not give any level. In speaking English, there is no any kind of level. So you should think about your communication. You should not think that you are a beginner or you are an intermediate student or you are an advanced student. You should not think like this. You should think to speak in English. It is one of the best tools to speak in English. Look at what happens in communication. I want to ask you, what happens in communication when we communicate with someone? So two things are compulsory. Level is not compulsory for speaking in English. Level is not compulsory. What is compulsory? Compulsory is understanding you. Two things are very compulsory. Because in communication there are two persons. As we all know, in communication there are two persons. One is sender and the second is receiver. Aren't they? As we know, in any communication, in any language of the world, when we communicate, so we should focus two persons. One is sender and the second is receiver. Listen. At this time I am speaking something. I am communicating with you. Am I right? At this time I am communicating with you. So what I am here? I am a sender. I am a sender here and you are getting my knowledge. You are getting my message. So you are a receiver. I am a sender and you are a receiver. We both communicate to each other. Then if you get my message in a proper way, I am sending you a message through my communication, and if you get my message very easily or in a proper way, so you can also give me feedback. You can also give me feedback. So it is called proper communication. I am not using very hyperbole words in my communication. Am I using hyperbole words? I am using simple vocabulary. So if you are a beginner of English, so in a beginning level, you can also communicate. Don't think that your level, you don't decide that your take. So many people decide that their level is like this and their level is like this and like that. Don't decide, because communication is not depend on any level. English communication is not depend on any level. It is depend on sender and receiver. If sender is sending proper message and receiver is getting proper feedback and we are getting proper result of communication, that is called communication. But so many people think that we should use very impeccable vocabulary and we should use very hyperbole words in our communication. Whatever pop up in your mind, you should speak out in English. This is called speaking English. So I would like to suggest everybody, if you really have a keen desire to speak out in English, so you should not take yourself. So many people take themselves that our level is this, our level is beginner, intermediate and advanced. It is not so in communication. You can see me. At this time I am speaking English. So I may commit a lot of mistakes. While speaking in English, I may commit a lot of mistakes. But if you are understanding my sense, if you are getting my sense, whatever I want to tell, so it is not communication gap. It is called proper communication. Whether I am committing mistake or not, no matter. If you are getting my message proper way, so I think my communication is good. I don't need to negotiate with the difficult word. You know, I'm not negotiating with the difficult words, and I'm not getting hyperbole and very impactful words and vocabulary in my communication. I'm using simple words, and you can understand. So if you label yourself, so what happens? You can't be fluent in English. If you want fluency in your communication, if you want to speak fluent English, so first of all you should forget your level. You should not concentrate. Level is for what? For examination. Who are beginner, intermediate and advanced student. As per the exams level, you can say, like there are some levels, like primary student, their level is different, and the secondary student. Are you getting? So you can say, if you are preparing of any competitive exam, or if you are preparing for an exam like IELTS, TOEFL, these type of exam, then you can examine your level. But if you want to communicate, so for communication there is no any level. Whatever vocab you have, whatever word meanings you have, through your word meanings you can communicate with anyone. There would not be any problem. Okay guys, so I hope you are getting my message. If you are getting my message, I am working here as a sender and you are listening me there as a receiver. So if we both having good communication, so it's called the proper communication. And guys, if you like my video, if you like and watch my videos, so I am so grateful to all of you. I am grateful to all of you from the bottom of my heart, and I thank you all of you again if you watch my videos. And if you like my videos, so do comment Jai Mahadev. Write down in comment box Jai Mahadev. Okay, then I will be very happy. Okay, if you write down Jai Mahadev in comment box, so as I told you, I always say to everyone, there is also a power who is known as God. While speaking, I am speaking at this time, so there is a power which is helping me. There is a power which is helping me, and this power is Mahadev Ji's power. He is giving me energy, so I am speaking something. So, for speaking English, you should also have belief in God. What is God? God is positive energy. Whenever you do any work with the name of God, so you always get positivity, optimism. You will never be pessimist. So, whether you are speaking or doing any other work, keep in your mind there is a power in your mind which is operated by God. As all we know, what is the full form of God? G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. So everything what we have, very energetic in us by the deed of God. All these are by the deed of God. So why I am speaking? First of all, I explained about this topic. Now I have said you something about God. So it is called what? Speaking. You must be thinking, you may be thinking, sir, you are out of the topic. At this time you are watching to me, and in your mind there must be click. What click? mistake. Sir, you are out of the topic. You are not telling us this. I have already told you about this. Then, what is communication? What is speaking English? Keep on speaking. You should not be dependent on any specific topic. While speaking English, you should not depend on any specific topic. Whatever comes in your mind, just speak out. Then you will get fluency in your communication. It's my own experience. So guys, now I am wrapping the class. Now I am finishing the class. And again, if you like my videos, so please write down Jai Mahadev ji in comment box. That's it for today.